Welcome to the video, guys. Today I'm going to be unboxing and having a look at a new watch strap for my Fitbit. I've not opened it yet, as you can see, but it's very quiet and it's very light, so let's actually have a look and see if we've even got anything, shall we? Right, so let's have a look. Yep, something in here. That's a relief. And here it is. Minimal, unique designs. Easy to install. Right, it's got 2 reviews on Amazon. Let's start off with that. I took a gamble on it because basically it's for my Fitbit, as I said. Versa 3, not sure if you can see that. And I just keep buying these off Amazon as well. These basic black ones. They last me so long, and then they either snap or they just get really grubby or loose. So I've ordered some which is a bit more rugged looking, but we'll see. So we're going to have a look. So it's as it looked in the picture. It's always a good start. It's in a little bag, and this is what we've gone for. So like I say, it's a bit more of a, not sure if you can really tell, a rugged look. It's got a metal clasp, like a metal buckle, instead of just the push through ones like this, right down like the standard. God, they just have a little push through. It's actually easier when it's on your wrist. Yeah, a little push through thing that goes in there. And this one's more like a traditional, I'd say, watch strap. So you've got the little sliding bit to tuck it all in after. Like I say, it's only got 2 reviews on Amazon. This was, I think I paid £9 for this. I just liked the look of it. It's not solid though. It is squeezy, squashy, as you can see. So only time will tell how long it'll last, but we're going to get my Fitbit in there and we'll have a look. That's the straps off them, as you can see, and we have got the new one on. Fits well, nice and secure. It went into the actual watch strap nice and easy. The one thing I will mention though is I usually have one of these on, like a little rubber screen protector. I've had one on ever since I got the watch, which was nearly 2 years ago now, and my screen has not got a single scratch on it, whereas now it's bare because there's nothing over this protecting it. So 1, it's going to get dirty, 2, it could get scratched. So to keep this on, I'm going to have to at least buy like a clear film to put over it, or risk getting it scratched already. There's like little bits on it just from me sitting here and playing. So that's one downfall, I suppose, but I can't really expect it to fit on with that otherwise, because they are quite bulky, to be fair. So we'll see, but it did fit in nicely. I think it looks quite nice. The looks a bit more rugged and like a big chunky watch, if that's your style you're going for. I quite like the look of that. Instead of, because these, when they're on your wrist, they kind of stand out and they look a bit like big and round, whereas this fits more into an actual watch looking thing. So let's have another little close-up look. Here it is then in the new strap. I think it looks quite nice. As you can see, the screen still works nice. Let's see if we can get the button to work still. Yep, so that all works fine, because that has actually got a cutout for it, if you can see that there. Still comes on nice and easy, so it did go on the wrist nicely. The adjustable straps, plenty of different holes to pick from. I think ours somewhere around the middle. I think the little details do look quite nice, but obviously with it all being one moulded piece, it doesn't quite have quite the same effect as like a expensive one, but I suppose for what I paid £9, I can't really expect it to. Like I say, here's the old straps and the old protective case, so I do need to get something on it if I'm going to continue wearing it in this new strap. There we are then. Right, we're back in the old strap for now with the protective case on, just so, as you can see already, it's absolutely covered in smudges. So like, it's just to protect it really until I get myself a clear film, like a protective film to put over this one. But for the price then, I am happy. I'll put the link in the description for you for where I got it. Like I said, it was on Amazon. I think I paid about £9. I think usually it's about 10. I did have an offer on. And I will leave another review. So, because I only had 2 reviews, so I took a bit of a gamble on it. But I'm happy with that for the price. I probably will give it 5 stars for the time being. Only thing I cannot comment on right now is durability, how long it's going to last. Hopefully it will last a while. That's why I've bought it, but we'll see. So thank you for watching, guys. If you like the video, please hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you in the next video.